All right, let's get back into it. Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to KevKreates. Today I'm making a tutorial on how to measure our objects within Ultimaker Cura. I frequently have to measure a lot of my objects whenever it comes to my cosplay projects and the props that I send out to my customers whenever they do custom sizing. So we're working with a Mandalorian handplate today for one of my own personal projects that I'm putting together for Helldivers. Uh, Normally, whenever I have things made, I like to do custom sizing so that it fits me like a glove. So these are hand plates. And what you're going to do first is you're going to go to the Marketplace tab at your top right, click on it, and I already have it preloaded because I did this earlier, but go ahead and type in measure, and it's going to take a second to load. And you're going to install this. You may have to restart the Ultimaker app, but once it's installed, come back to this part of the video. And this is the part of the video where I actually show you how this works. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to click on measure, and it's going to come out as two dots. And right now I want to measure the plate number 1. And you're going to click and the dots will appear. There's going to be 2 every single time. And you're going to click and hold and drag them to the distances that you want to measure. I'm measuring the farthest width along the x-axis right now, which is going to be denoted in red. That's 82 millimeters, or almost 83, and it's almost 83 down here. You can even switch it to whatever measurements you want down here. I know that some of my customers and even some of my viewers are from the European theater in England, so we have all the options down here. I normally go inches and millimeters because those are the most precise for me, but you can also denote here x-axis. Now let's do the y-axis, which is going to be our width. And I'll show you how to do that as well. You can just click it, drag it up here, click the other one, drag it up here. Now let me just fix the POV to the vertical. And voila, there we go. Now we have the thickness width of our hand plate, 3.83 millimeters, and you can denote it here as well. It's not precise going from the diagonal to the Y, but it is extremely useful whenever we are trying to get exact measurements, or at least as close as we possibly can. Now, if we come here, all the way at the bottom, we have our Z, which is the total length of the hand plate. So when all is said and done, we can use the measurement tool in order to get precise measurements for custom sizing and for working on the objects that we have here in Ultimaker. Instead of having to go to Mesh Mixer or Blender to size things out, we can just do it from here. It's actually extremely easy. You can get this up and running in less than 5 minutes if you go to Marketplace, click type in measure, and install it, and it'll be with you for the rest of the time that you are doing 3D printing using Ultimaker. All right, that is our tip for today. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them down below. Like and subscribe to see more. I will be posting more tips and tricks like this in the coming future, and hopefully I can get my Helldivers STEM tutorial uploaded here within the next week. Thank you.